Okay, now I'll show you how to use this printer with the Wi-Fi Direct. We need to activate the Wi-Fi Direct, and we also need to know what's the password of this printer. So press and hold the wireless button and information button, and it will print a page. So once we send that command, the printer will print a page and it will display HP network configuration page. Here we look for the Wi-Fi Direct option, as you can see here, and it also says the status it's on. It has security, yes, and that's the password of your printer. It displays the password here, so you can write down that it's 1234567 that is a universal password. In case if it's different, you have to print this page and it will be displayed here. Also displays the name of the printer. Now go to the display panel. We have to activate the Wi-Fi Direct of this printer. As you can see, this is the second icon just above the tricolor icon. That's the icon for Wi-Fi Direct. Now automatically it will come up on the screen. If you don't see this, then you just have to click the wireless button once and it will activate the Wi-Fi Direct. Now go to your Android device or iPhone. Now we go and open the Android device or iPhone, and we go to the Wi-Fi setup. So go to the Wi-Fi setup of your Android device or iPhone, and you will see the name displayed as Direct 7 FHP DeskJet 2600. Once you click it, it will ask the password, and you can enter the password as it was printed, and you will see it is connected. Go back, open the HP Smart app. If you don't have that app, you can download from the App Store. So once we open the HP Smart app, we need to add the printer here. You can click on the plus button on the top of the screen. Now you can see it displays the name of the printer, HP DeskJet 2600 series. Click again and it will display all the details here. So your printer is available. I'll show you how to do the scanning. For example, look for the printer scan option, which is here, and also the icon available here. So click on that. Now open the top scanner lid of the printer. Here we place a page facing downwards on the right hand side corner we want to scan. Go to the device and click on the scan button. So it will instantly send the command and it will start to scan. So here we can see this has arrived here, and if you want to add more pages, you can just click on the plus button here. Open the top scanner lid and place the second page facing downwards and hit the scan button again. So here we can see both pages are available. Now we can save it as a single PDF file. So you can see the save button or share button, both are available. So click on the save, and on the next you will see the format. You can choose the name of the file and change it to the PDF and click on the save button. Thanks for watching.